Hiya, happy 13th of December. Merlin's just had some dreamies and I think he's getting ready to go to sleep again. So let's have a look what's in the rituals calendar to start with. Okay, 13th. There we are. Oh, it's a red one. Let's have a look, see what goodies we got. Alright, let's see, what's this one? Right, it's Honey Touch, Indian Rose and Himalayan Honey, Rich and Nourishing Body Cream. That sounds rather good. Let's see what... Oh, he's just having a wash. What do you think, Bubby? You're not worried, are you? You want to put it there? No? You put it there. Oh, don't mean to make him jump. You can't go nowhere. No, you can't go nowhere. What do you think? Don't know? So, don't think much of that one? No? Okie dokie. Right, on to Marks and Spencer's. One with a little bow on the top. See what we think. Oh, no little green paper thing this time. Okay, it's Skin Iceland Icelandic Relief Eye Cream. It's another brand I've never heard of actually. Pat gently under the eye. Doesn't say particularly why or what for or anything. Certainly nothing I've seen before, but I'll pat it under my eye. But more importantly, will Merlin pat it with his paw? What do you think of that one then, sweetie? No. Not interested? Yeah, he's going to pat it with his paw. That's far more interesting, isn't it? You are a funny boy. Yep, is it going on the floor? Any second now. You really can't be bothered, can you, sweetie? No. Okie dokie. Okay, so we're on to the NYX one. Where's 13 gone? Up the top there. Let's have a look. Please don't be a shimmer. Let's have a little look at this one. Merlin's still playing with that pot there, look. Oh dear. Another shimmer. What a shame. It's really pretty colour too. And this one is called Rome. Merlin? Merlin, what do you think of that one? You like? Yeah, you like biting them, don't you? They're the best ones to bite. Yes, they are. Still got his paw on the pot though. Yeah, that one. That one's better though, isn't it? Okay, on to the bad joke in the chocolate. Right, let's see. It's what do Santa's little helpers learn at school? The alphabet. Okay, that's really poor actually. Well, I think this little pussycat's about to go to sleep. And we'll see you tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.